Good morning, my dear lovable student. The first unit test was held in last week successfully. So today we will discuss about your chapter 3 in standard 5. The chapter is major landforms in your social studies book SST. So let's go to the chapter. First we have about 71% of the earth's surface is covered by water. In 100% there is 71% earth surface with water and 29% is land. The variation in the earth surface are called its relief features of landforms. What is mountains? The elevated part of the earth surface rising about 900 meter higher than the surrounding areas. The 900 meter surrounding areas surface rising is called mountains. About 20% of earth's surface is covered by mountains and the rest of 80% plains, river valleys, deserts and plateaus. A plateau is also an elevated part on the earth, but it has a flat top. The height of a plateau is about 500 meter. The height of a mountain is 900 meter higher, and then plains. A plain is a flat and low-lying land surface. A plain is a flat and low-lying land surface is almost no difference in altitude between the highest and the lowest points of the plain. Thus, plains are called also lowlands. And what is river valleys? A river valley is a low-lying area between hills. These valleys form due to flowing of water, and it is usually V-shaped or U-shaped. Okay. Then we will know about deserts. A desert is a huge area of land covered mostly by sand and rocks. Some famous deserts are in the world are Sahara in Africa and Patagonia in South America, and the Thar and the Arabian in Asia. The Thar in Rajasthan. Then we will go to the exercise. The Andes Mountain range located in South America. And which among the following is called the storehouse of minerals? It's plateaus. Which among the following are also called the lowlands? Plains. The Thar desert is located in Asia. Fill in the blanks with the help of words given in the box. The Aravallis, being very old, are low and have dash peaks, it's rounded peaks. Plateaus cover about 1/3 of the earth's surface. The northern plains of the India have been formed by river Ganga, Brahmaputra and its tributaries. River valleys is formed due to flowing of water. Then the Arabian desert is rich in petroleum. Answer the following question. What is mountain? How is it different from a plateau? The elevated part of the earth's surface rising about 900 meter higher than the surrounding areas are called mountains, and it is different from plateau because the height of plateau is about 500 meter when the height of mountain is 900 meter. Write some points of the importance of plateaus. Most of the plateaus are rich in minerals like iron, copper, silver, gold, mica and coal. The Chhotanagpur plateau of India is quite rich in minerals, and hence it is also called the storehouse of minerals. And many plateaus have step falling waterfalls which provide a suitable site for producing hydroelectricity. Natural beauty of plateaus attract tourists. These are some points of plateaus, some important points. And the third question is, what is a plain? Write about some of its feature. A plain is a flat surface of low-lying land surface. Some features of plains. Most of the plains in the world are formed by sand and silt brought down by rivers. And the second point is, plains have fertile soil, so they are thickly populated all over in the world. How are river valleys formed? The fourth question. A river valley is a low-lying area between hills. This valley is formed due to flowing of water, and it is usually V-shaped or U-shaped. Name some famous deserts of the world. Some famous deserts of the world are Sahara in Africa, the Patagonia in South America, and the Thar and Arabian in Asia. And the chapter is over. You should follow the textbook, and I have provided the hard copy. And the chapter is here. Major landforms. You should read out the importance of mountains, important feature of mountains, and features of plains, importance of plains, features of valley, importance of plateaus. You are advised to read out at your home. Follow the textbook, follow the hard copy. Good luck. Thank you.